Q8169-3. The major source of weight change for most aircraft as they age is caused by A. Accumulation of grime and debris in hard-to-reach areas of the structure and moisture absorption in cabin insulation. B. Repairs and alterations. C. Installation of hardware and safety wire and added layers of primer and paint on the structure. The correct answer is B. As aircraft age, they undergo regular maintenance and repairs, and these can cause weight changes. Alterations can also be made to the aircraft to upgrade or modify it, and these changes can also cause weight variations. Therefore, repairs and alterations are the major source of weight change for most aircraft as they age. 8170. The useful load of an aircraft is the difference between A. The maximum takeoff weight and basic empty weight. B. Maximum ramp or takeoff weight as applicable and zero fuel weight. C. 1. The weight of an aircraft with all seats filled, full baggage cargo, and full fuel, and the correct answer is A. The useful load of an aircraft is the difference between the maximum takeoff weight and basic empty weight. This means that the useful load is the total weight of passengers, cargo, and fuel that can be carried by the aircraft without exceeding its maximum takeoff weight. A. 2. Aircraft weight with all seats empty, no baggage divided by cargo, and minimum operating fuel. 8171. When determining the empty weight of an aircraft, certificated under current airworthiness standards, 14 CFR Part 23, the oil contained in the supply tank is considered A. A part of the empty weight. B. A part of the useful load. C. The same as the fluid contained in the water injection reservoir. The correct answer is A. According to 14 CFR Part 23, when determining the empty weight of an aircraft certificated under current airworthiness standards, the oil contained in the supply tank is considered a part of the empty weight. 8172. Improper loading of a helicopter which results in exceeding either the fore or aft CG limits is hazardous due to the A. Reduction or loss of effective cyclic pitch control. B. Coriolis effect being translated to the fuselage. C. Reduction or loss of effective collective pitch control. The correct answer is A. Improper loading of a helicopter can cause the center of gravity to shift beyond the allowable limits, leading to a reduction or loss of effective cyclic pitch control. This can result in instability, loss of control, and potential accidents. It is important to ensure proper loading and weight distribution to maintain safe flight conditions. 8173. The maximum weight as used in weight and balance control of a given aircraft can normally be found A. By adding the weight of full fuel, pilot, passengers, and maximum allowable baggage to the empty weight. B. In the aircraft specification or type certificate data sheet. C. By adding the empty weight and payload. The correct answer is B. The aircraft specification or type certificate data sheet provides detailed information about the aircraft, including its maximum weight limitations, which are used in weight and balance control.